Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we are having a house tour, and this house tour is a 3-bedroom ensuite in Westlands. So come, let's have a house tour. Now when you get inside, this one is the door, guys, and then we have a small area where we keep our shoes when you get outside. Then here is where we can wear our shoes. Here is the shoe rack. Okay, then here we have a recliner sofa, which is so pretty. Then we have a coffee table on the side. This one is like the old century ones, you know, the bubbly ones. I really love this chair. Look at how pretty it is. Oh, nice. And then we have another side table, another chair, and another side table. And this is the area of entertainment. I kind of lost my audio over here, and now we have to do it as a voiceover. Right there is our area of entertainment. We've got the TV stand, the TV, the woofer, and I love the fact that the TV stand has a touch of gold. Maybe I'm obsessed with gold like everybody else, but anyway. On the other side, we have a very beautiful canvas that is like very perfect for that color, and the color is blue. I love the touch of blue within the canvas, or the earrings on the canvas. I love it. And also there's that blue outside. We have the gold lamps, and then we have the wall that has been made from stone. Actually, that is not like any wallpaper, it's made from stone actually. Then I love the fact that there's a touch of yellow on both sides of the canvases art. So that is so beautiful. You can already know and tell that this house was thought through first, even before like beginning the interior design and stuff. So I really love. On the other side, we have the sofas, and the sofa that we have is a 3-seater, and then it also has a touch of yellow in it. And then we have over there our coffee table, the rounded table. It just accentuates the entire look. So this is how the entire house looks like, and I really love the carpet, which is gray in color, off gray, off white. I don't think I know the real color, but there's a bit of gray and white in it, and I really love that it is soft and comfy when you walk on it. And then we also have the curtains, guys. The curtains are high quality. I love the quality of the curtains, top notch. It's 8, and I love the fact that the way they have been laid around. I love the rails that goes to the other side of the house, which is the balcony. And yeah, I love it. This house is so gorgeous. So let me show you guys around. When you come right here, guys, we have the wooden floor. As you can see, so pretty and so soft. Oh my god, I'm in love with this floor. I'm really in love with this floor. So great, so gorgeous. Right here we have the gray cantilever chairs, and we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And we have this runner that runs across the table. I really love it. The texture is so perfect, and I love the dining part of it. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And then this white table with a touch of black on it, that is also like another thought, another line of thought, because this one is so drop down gorgeous. And then we have this area right next to the dining. We have the sink, and the sink Here we have the towel, which you can use to wipe your hands after washing your hands within the sink. Then we have the mirror. Oh, I love this design, and I love the design of the sink that comes with the cabinets and the drawers. This is so perfect for storage, and I love that about this place. So let me show you guys around. Within the dining, we have our lights. So the lights are so great, and they're chandelier lights. They kind of look like crystal balls or something because they are shiny and they're perfect. So let me just light them up for you guys. Look at that. Show them the lights. Look at that. Oh, drop down gorgeous. That's it about the dining. Let's move to the kitchen room. Come. So within the kitchen, we have the normal lights. Then this is how the kitchen looks like. We have the kitchen sink and the drawers, and then we have the cabinets, and okay, then we have the fridge. This one is the pantry. This one is the chill area within the kitchen. Then we have more cabinets, more drawers, more storage, more cabinets, more drawers, more storage. I love this. Show them. We also have more cabinets and more storage over here. This is a really perfect home for a number of family members. I love how the kitchen has been designed and everything within it, the storage, the cabinets. I love excess storage. So right here we have the pantry, which I will not open for now. Then we have the laundry area, which is right here. So that's it about the kitchen, the laundry area, and the pantry. So let's go to the bedrooms. Now we are headed to the bedrooms and the washrooms, and let me show you guys around so you guys can see how gorgeous this 3-bedroom looks like. Oh my goodness. Over here we have the shoe racks. That is where the shoes are being stored. Then as you come, we have the bedroom. The first bedroom is this one. On the side of the bedroom, on the far side of the bedroom, we have like, this is a washroom. After the washroom, we have the bookshelf. That is how it looks like. Then now we have our second room over here. As you come straight from the other side, these are the cabinets with excess storage. We have very beautiful cabinets with excess storage. I love the fact that there is enough storage in here. Then we have the side tables, neatly arranged room. This is also the side table. We have the mirror, perfect mirror. Then we have another recliner sofa for rest. And then we have the study area. Then we have the washroom. And then that's it. So let me show you guys around the room. Now this is the third and very last bedroom, and it's drop down gorgeous. So I want you to brace yourself before you get in here. Are you ready? Okay, come. This is so gorgeous. So come in. When you get in, we have this mirror. Then we have the study table, which is so gorgeous, where you there's a place where you can rest your head. Then over here we have storage, just a study, like a storage area where people can keep books and whatever. We have another bookshelf over here. We have a side table. This one looks like a coffee table, but it's round. Then over here we have the curtains. We have the curtains over here, another round chair. How do we call this chair? They're the arms chair. Yeah, we have the arms chair. Then we have the recliner sofa, the two-seater recliner sofa. After the recliner sofa, we have the standing table where you can use this to work. Then we also have this bed, which is drop down gorgeous. I love the designs of the bed in this house. I'm just falling in love. It's just like the perfect design of beds because it's simple but elegant. The choice of colors are perfect, and as you can see, the carpet, the choice of color of this carpet goes hand in hand with what is inside this room. So I love it. To the curtains, to the bed, to the carpets, drop down gorgeous. So come over here, let me show you the cabinets. Oh my god, we have so much storage, like all these cabinets. Let me tell you, I love this house. Okay, we have the side table as well. We have extra storage on the cabinets. Now on this other side we have the washroom. So the washroom is in here, and I'll just show you guys around.